Hello you lovely people, welcome back to accountinglecture.com. This particular video will show you how to remember debit items and credit items. Do you know the precious stone kind of, you can say, which is found in ocean and girls, they prefer to wear as a jewelry? Yes, exactly, pearls. Yeah, you remember pearls, you remember debit and credit very easily. Okay, let's write it down. P-E-A-R-L-S, pearls, half it. This P-E-A, if I would say debit, and this R-L-S are credit. Okay, what are these then? P stands for, yes, purchases. E for expenses. A for assets. Purchases, expenses, and assets are your debit items. R for revenue, yes, right, or income. L stands for liabilities. S for sales. RLS are your credit items. You remember this, your life would be easy in remembering debit and credit items. Now, purchases is basically goods bought for resale purpose. Resale purposes, like we bought some items. Why? Because we want to sell it. Purchases are always debit. Expenses, thousands of expenses could be. Just think of some, like rent paid, could be rent and rates, electricity, like all the bills, insurance, and so many items. Revenue expenditure, day-to-day expenses. Assets, those are not expenses but expenditure, like you bought computer, that's an asset, that's a debit item. Office equipment, that's an asset. Could be land and building, motor vehicle, even your trade receivables, you know, current assets, cash, bank, yeah, even prepaid expenses, accrued income. These are all your assets and these are debit items. Revenue, income. This revenue is not sales, rather we indicate income. It could be rent, what, received. Then discount, received. Anything you're receiving, not much, but rent received, discount received, commission received could be. Liabilities, long-term and short-term liabilities. It could be bank loan, yes. Mortgages, debenture, yeah. It could be trade payables, bank overdraft. These are the items you need to remember. There could be accrued expenses and prepayment of income. Sales or turnover is also your credit. Yeah, there we go. You remember these items, you remember your debit and credit. Just to write a couple of more items which does not fit into the pearls is drawings. Drawings is always debit. And capital. Capital is always credit. These are money invested by the owner. These are money withdrawn from the owner. Making it a little more deeper, like if this PEA goes up in the accounts, then these are debit, DR. If these item goes down, these are credit. Yet again, this RLS, yes, if these RLS goes up, because generally these are credit, so if these are goes up, credit. If these item goes down in your account, these are debit. Keep working hard and keep practicing. Hope you will get these things very easily and will do well in your exam. Thanks for watching.